Russia kids.
Let's take a trip, just me and you, to a place full of animals, the city zoo. Grab your map, hold my hand, we're going to meet the best in the land. We bought our tickets, walked right in, heard a roar and a monkey grin. The zookeeper waved, come take a look. There's a tiger snoozing by the babbling brook. At the city zoo, there's so much to see, from elephants tall to monkeys in a tree. We wave and laugh and learn a ton. The city zoo is so much fun. Saw a hippopotamus in a muddy pool. He splashed around to keep his cool. Then came a giraffe with a super long neck, eating from trees, not missing a speck.
Look, a group of chimpanzees swinging on ropes with such great ease. And next we saw a kangaroo with a joey peeking out, peekaboo. At the city zoo we clap and cheer, so many animals living here. We watch and listen, what a day, learning as we laugh and play. A parrot squawked a funny word, the loudest voice we'd ever heard. The lions roared so strong and deep, then curled up for a jungle sleep. We stopped to eat beneath the trees, watching zebras munch with grace and ease. Soft wind blew, the sky was blue, a perfect day at the city zoo. At the city zoo, our hearts are